Prudent Media is extremely delighted to invite you for the video release of our documentary film Om Siddharoodhaya Namaha. On the life and legacy of His Holiness Shri Siddharoodha Swamiji. Join us as we unveil the spiritual journey of Shri Siddharoodha Swamiji, a beacon of hope, compassion and spiritual guidance. On 21st August at 11 a.m. at Ravindra Bhavan Margao.
This program is brought to you by Prudent Media and Government of Goa in collaboration with Panchamrita Industries Limited. Panchamrita Fortified, Sampurna Poshan Swasth Jeevan. Supported by Swarna Group of Companies aiming towards Swarna Bharat Khushhal Bharat. Shri Madhavrao Thaurikar Charitable Trust, Gravity Groups Hubli Dharwad and Bhingi's Food.